what's up? I'm back with another video. So today's video is a sponsored video, and I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys that I do have an affiliates code for you and a discount code. I'll link that down below, and I'll also put it right here in the description box and right here in the camera clip for you guys. So this is through Aria Beauty, and I am so excited to be working with them, you guys. I have worked with them for a few months now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I've been very excited to use this tool for you guys. This tool is called the Waiver, and basically it crimps your hair and waves it a certain way. It looks super cute. So we're gonna try it out together and see how it works. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified of any of my future uploads. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Sorry about the lighting, it's a little off right now. I'm trying to get used to working with it, but this is day 2 hair, day 1 hair, day 2 hair. And I've had it just up in a claw clip for a little while today. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. It tends to hold it a little bit better, but here is how it's packaged. I love the packaging. Super, super sleek and cute. You can see that it has like some chrome accents to it. And it's called the Waiver, and then it shows you in the back what it does to your hair. So I think that's pretty cool. I'll also leave the title and all the stuff in the description box about it. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Super cute. This is what the tool looks like. Super retro. I love the marbling handle. It's super cute. It has a little screen here to show you the temperature and all that good stuff. And it comes pre-packaged with the cord already ready to go, stuff like that. So it comes on and it tells you it's off. And then you can go ahead and hit power, and then it tells you 350, 370, 390, 310, and it goes all the way up to 430. And then you can also set it to the lowest temperature, which would be 150. So we're gonna go probably somewhere in between. We're gonna go up to 350 probably. In between that, I am gonna go ahead and jump in with some of this stuff here. This is the Tresemme, the Fresh Clean Dry Shampoo. I love this stuff. It's for fresh brunettes, and it's a little, it's not really, it's kind of clear. It's not really dark at all. This stuff smells so good. I love the smell of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit in the hair just to kind of give it some volume and texture, and that way it'll hold the curls better. But it is like kind of white, so you kind of gotta watch that. Let me spray it this way so I don't get it on my lenses. All right, and then we're gonna go to the back. I just kind of section my hair into parts like that, and then I just kind of fluff it to kind of work it through that area. And then your hair smells so good too. Oh my god. So I do not brush this after this. I kind of brush my hair before, or just take it out of my claw clip and just let it be. So I'm going to section the bottom half just real quick, put up the other half, and I'm just going to do this bottom half to kind of give it a little bit more bounce. But so here we go. And I am really excited because I've never actually used this one. I've used my other one before. So, and I'm not being super precise. I'm just kind of going in and I'm just kind of bouncing it back and forth. Alright, so I took down that section, and now I'm just going to kind of go in with this section little bit by little bit and see what we get. So it really kind of reminds me of like braiding my hair. Alright, so I've done a little bit over half of my head now, and this is what I've got going on. Just some crazy strands here and there. But I kind of like it. It gives me the boho look that it claims to give. Kind of gives you some volume up top. I'm not sure how I feel about my bangs, really. These pieces here need it a little bit more, but I'm trying to kind of get the idea of how I like to separate my hair in all of this. It's definitely not like a curler like I usually do, like do different pieces, but the back is still pretty straight. I think I'm going to put up a little bit of my hair, and then I'm going to see what else needs done in the back. I think I'm going to put up this section here and just clip it, and then kind of look around and see, like, this piece here really needs it good. Alright guys, so all in all, this thing right here is really neat. There's not a whole lot you have to do with it to make it work. You can see, my hair's kind of glowing right now. You can see how quickly it does its job. I mean, it's not a hard machine to use. You just go down with it as you go, and it does it. So I'm going to turn my head upside down and kind of blow. So I'm not sure how I like the bangs thing going on here. It's very floofy. Alright guys, so this is your beach wave you've got here. So I'm digging it. It makes my hair very voluminous. But yeah, so I'm going to kind of stick with it and go with it and see what happens. Probably still going to put up in a bun though for me because of how hot it is outside. So yeah, it's very fun to play with. I like the pieces now in front of my face. It's not too hard to get along with. But yeah, there you guys have it. You go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that like button and the post notification bell for any of my future uploads, and I'll see you guys later.